This is Project QE, an ECD custom Land Rover Defender 110 built to our client's exact specifications. Project QE is painted in full gloss green olive yellow with black accents. QE sits on 18-inch sawtooth silver wheels with BFG all-terrain tires. This Defender 110 features a 6-point full external roll cage, plastic front bumper, and ECD custom black steering guard. On the inside, Project QE features an ECD custom Evander wooden steering wheel with Nostalgia VT gauges, 2 Puma Classic front and middle row seats, and 2 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in double vertical diamond spinning deck and Sabrina leather stitched together in Garrett black. QE is powered by our GM LT1 V8 450 horsepower engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features an array of modern elements such as Infinity Kappa sound system, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, rear AC, and access to USB connections.